Master the cooking robot in 1 minute. First, we can look at the UI screen on the cooking robot. Select or search for the dish you want to make, like searching stir-fried cauliflower with meat. It will appear on the screen. Click Cook Now to see the ingredients list of this recipe, and then prepare the ingredients from the list into the right feeding boxes based on their weights. These are the ingredients prepared according to the recipe. Let's put the prepared ingredients into the matching boxes. Click the Cook Now option. Then we'll start the auto cooking process. We can check the cooking progress in real time on the screen. Once the oil is hot enough, it will auto-add the ingredients step by step. Once the current ingredients are cooked, it will auto-move on to cooking the next ingredient according to the program. After all the ingredients are cooked, it will auto-add the seasonings one by one and stir-fry again. After cooking is done, the cooking robot will auto-dispense the dishes. When all is finished, please remember to press the clean button on the screen. It will auto-start the cleaning process to ensure the cooking robot stays clean. Now let's plate the dishes. Then this delicious dish is ready to serve. Summary: 1. Select a recipe. To prepare ingredients according to the recipe. 3. Place the ingredients in the right feeding boxes and click Cook Now. For cooking finished, and click to serve. 5. Click Clean to auto pot washing.